I don't need your help. Get back. Nope, get back. Oh. Hey. It's Sunday. It's the 12th. As you can see, I'm underneath the tractor. The reverse linkage from the other day, I have the wrench on it. So right above my thumb. Thereabouts. When I was doing the road, I didn't have enough reverse power. I don't know how else to describe it, but yeah. So both the dogs are out here helping me. They're great help. So anyway, hopefully this will work, and hopefully I'll figure out how to turn the camera off. So later. Yeah, still helping. So anyway, the issue is this hydrostatic transmission. So plain and simply, there's high-low gears over here, and then this is how you go forward, this is how you go reverse. The way you tell, see the arrows? It's going forward, and then that would be backwards. So I'm adjusting this thing, but the pedals should be flush like that. Now I've adjusted it too far. Back when I started, the reverse pedal was probably about like that. So yeah, that's what we're doing, fixing. Hello everyone. It's not morning, it's afternoon, and it is Monday, the, oh man, I want to say the 15th or something like that. Don't really know. Kicking the ball for Billy, and man, it's such a nice day. It's like 58, which is way uncommon for us here. So I thought I'd take dogs for a little walk. And the cows think that they're getting fed, and so does Kootenai, but they're not. So Teresa is still at home, and she's still a little bit under the weather. She's doing fine. She's on the mend, but it's gonna be probably another week or so. So anyway, that is a relief. We finally figured out what it was, or the doctors did, or should I say Teresa did, and then we went to the urgent care to confirm it. So anyway, I'm getting the dogs out of the house, getting her some peace and quiet. Me and the dogs are going for a little walk down below the property, and that's just so nice outside. You got to do something while it's like this. Holy smokes. So anyway, nothing big planned today. I already did all the chores, so we're good to go on that. So now it's just time to go for a walk. So let's go. Sure beats them standing at a hay pile and eating. The baby is over there. A little piece of grass sticking out of his mouth. It's pretty cute. See, Buster, I told you. It's good stuff here. Even Mr. Kootenai agrees. But he's in a weed patch. I don't know what the hell he's thinking. Anyway, yeah. got the walk done. Dogs are happy. They got to go out and stretch their legs, so yeah, about it on the farm today. Baby's first taste of grass. I think he's liking it. Well, hello everyone. Keep forgetting to record today. It's one of those days. So just got back from town and I got these, which are cinder blocks. Gonna do a little project. Yeah. So the family's coming over for Thanksgiving. And obviously we raised turkeys and all that crap, and I hate turkey. I don't know why we did it, but we did it and it's done. But I've been watching these videos on YouTube, and I think we're gonna attempt to do a whole hog. Probably not on Thanksgiving, but like that Friday or something, so we'll see. Stay tuned. We'll talk more about that. Still crazy. Hello everyone. It's Wednesday. I'm not sure of the date. We'll call it 15th, 16th, somewhere in there. Gonna go get the tractor and unload the cinder blocks, and probably start putting together that smoker thing. So yeah, that should be exciting. So hold on, let's get her going. All right, so almost done with it. Got some rebar over here that I need to cut for inside. Then I'll scoot these just flush, so it'll be nice and square. The holes on each side are for ventilation. I'll put the sheet metal up on top, and just the corrugated metal will vent it. So yeah, we'll see. I bought extra because I'm going to do a project on the other side of the house. Always wanted to do like an outdoor kitchen type thing, so that's what I'm doing with that. So let me get this rest of these blocks up behind the barn, and grab the grinder for the rebar, the big cooler to put the pig in, because I need to start defrogging that. So yeah, till next time. Yeah. Ellie finally decided to come outside. Huh. Well, it's done. So, I don't know if you can see it. The rebar across there. Then I'll get chicken wire. Lay the pig down flat. Skin up. Another wire over the top, and then halfway through, or 3/4 of the way through, rotate it. So, should be good to go. We'll see. Might have to do some test coals in here and see what we can do. Morning, everyone. It is, hold on, I just looked. Thursday, November 16th. Look at this weather. Holy smokes. It's absolutely beautiful out. Got some pretty hellacious winds last night. But everything seemed to survive. All the cushions on the patio furniture stayed put, so that's always a good thing. Billy's playing with her ball. Ellie's standing guard. Teresa's inside. She's not feeling well today, so man, gonna be a long recovery for that girl. Feel sorry for her. So today I figured I'd start with this, and in hopes that it's not gonna piss me off and I start cussing. So we're gonna give that a shot. So if it's pretty simple and I don't cuss, then I'll turn you back on. So actually, good news. It just slipped out of its pulley. So now I can get it back on for sure. But will it start again? Hold on, let's find out. Sorry, a little out of breath. So I just got done spreading all that around. This is one of the poop piles, otherwise known as a pile of shit. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. There's another one down in the bottom. We'll go down there next, but that's where Teresa puts all the chicken and duck poo-poos. And I just got done spreading it in the garden. Now I'm gonna till it, and that chore will be done. This is something I should have done, oof, man, I don't know, end of September, beginning of October, but you know what? The weather's so nice, I had to do other things, so let's get this done and get this off the list. All right. Garden is ready for winter, finally. It's only, what, middle of November? Thanksgiving is next week. I'm not late at all. Hey, do me a favor. This is between me and you. I think this is my secret component to having a good garden, so don't tell my mom or my sister. I want to keep them envious of my garden, so secret's safe with us, right? Well, here's the other mountain of poo. Just got done. They had it, shoot, probably 3 feet high. So scooped it all back together, and guess what? Here they come to ruin it again. Baby Cannon and Buster the Bull leading the way. So that's all right. They like climbing. King of the mountain. Let's see who wins. Well, made the ultimate card man. There's the kitty. I'm in here trying to get the cat to come to me. Put the tractor away. Messed with the hay pile. And you know, I forgot to shut the gate. So now I'm in a little bit of a pickle. The cows are out. So let's see if I can get them. Come on. Come on, cows. Oh yeah, baby. Here they come. Come on, baby. Hey. There. Shoot, now we need the little baby to come in. Ah, goodness. Come on, Cannon. Billy? Come on, Cannon, go the other way. Billy, sit. Sit. There you go. There you go. Oof. Goodness. I know better than that. That could have been, well, a fun part of my day. But they're all contained again, so good for me. Good for them too, I guess. They got grain out of the deal. Go figure. All right, so another project crossed off the list, almost. So the duckers. Oh, you're coming out. Okay, come on. Filling the big pool. So they're big enough now to come out in the main pen. So I put the netting up here. You can't see it. It's this stuff. So hopefully, well, not hopefully, that if anything, like, I don't know, let's say a great horned owl tries to penetrate this way, it's definitely going to get wrapped up in there. I'm glad that I had the camera off, because putting that stuff up, there was some choice words coming out of someone's mouth. And since I'm the only one out here, I guess it might have been me. So anyway, Bailey's excited to see the ducks. And like I said, I'm filling the big pool for them. So yeah, cows are in the garden area, eating it down some more. I kind of like this mowing job for the cows. So anyway, getting a little hungry. Time to go in, get something to eat. What do you think? You with me? I have to chase them out here. Hey, your pool's filling up. Alright, let's leave them alone, see if they'll figure life out. Had to catch it. And the one that's having a blast about had a heart attack. Looks like she's having fun now, though. I don't know which one's chicken, which one's waffles, but they're digging it. Good morning, everyone. It is the day after yesterday. I don't know, 17th maybe? It's Friday. Oof. Not that that really means anything to me anymore. Just gave the chicken some good old cabbage. Just checked on the ducks. They're just sitting in their little house doing nothing. Excuse me. So I'm just checking everyone's water. Cows are good. And gonna go take some stuff out of the camper that I don't want to freeze. Don't want anything exploding in there, because that's an awful thing to have happen. Me and Teresa years ago, we were going over to Idaho, and we had just stocked up the pantries and everything with food and all that kind of stuff. And we get over to the cabin, and something was dripping down by the door there. So Teresa called me over. So long story short, it was the Costco 2-pack of maple syrup fell out of the cupboard, landed on the floor and busted open, both of them. So about a gallon or so of maple syrup right at the entrance of the camper. It was pretty special. It was a special moment. So we're gonna try to not ever do that again. So anyway, kind of a weird story. Another beautiful day. Absolutely stunning. Got down to like 26 or 28 last night. Supposed to get up to like 48 today, but yeah, just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So nothing big planned today. I see the neighbor's dog. Hopefully, yep, it is on his side. So we don't have to do anything with that. Anyway, hope everyone's having a great day. Anything exciting happens, I'll turn you on. Good morning, everyone. It is November 19th today, Sunday. Got some freezing rain last night. Looks like a few little ice pellets, but yeah, not much up here. The ground's already dry where we're standing. So Anyway, not much planned today. You can see a little bit of ice in the cow trough. Yeah, so just gonna do a few odds and ends around the house and get this video buttoned up today, I think. So next week obviously is Thanksgiving, so remember, we're barbecuing the whole pig, and that'll be like Friday after Thanksgiving. So I'll make sure we video that. So anyway, I hope everyone had a great week. We did up here. Teresa is feeling much better today, finally. Tomorrow is day 7. Well, actually it's more than that, but we'll call it around 10 days. She goes back to work, I think, Tuesday, if all goes according to plan. But yeah, she's up and about. Oh, and there goes a coyote down below. Just went behind the little mound down there, so I won't be able to show you. Keep our eye out for that bugger. Yeah, so that's the update. Let's see, Miles and Bailey are coming on Tuesday. Brother James and the family are coming Wednesday. I'm sure Austin, Elizabeth, Aiden, and Aurora will be up at some point, so should be a fun week. So anyway, happy Thanksgiving, everyone, early, and hope everyone had a good week. Miss you all, love you all. We'll talk to you guys soon.